guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am getting some new furniture. Well, technically I'm getting new furniture in like 2 days. So today I'm gonna prep my room and just take you guys along with me. I am getting a new dresser and 2 new nightstands. One of the nightstands is obviously not gonna fit because my bed's up against the wall, but the other one I'm just kind of storing away until I eventually move and can fit 2 nightstands in my room. So what I'm gonna work on doing right now, it is Thursday afternoon. I'm actually like so tired because I just got done work, but my goal is to clean out all of these drawers because these 2 are leaving. This is my main dresser. I've had it for years, and let me just show you what the drawers do. This bottom drawer literally doesn't even close, you can literally see, and then all the drawers pretty much just like the bottoms fall through. So like these are my leggings and they just like completely fall through. So I finally got a new dresser. This one, honestly, it was great to me. I mean, it's lasted for years. I got it from IKEA so many years ago, but all the drawers are just falling out, and my friend actually wants it for her guest bedroom. So obviously it doesn't have to be like super nice, she just needs something, so I'm gonna give it to her. But what I need to work on today is just clearing out all my clothes. I don't think I'm really gonna be decluttering too much, but I just need to literally move all of these clothes and just lay them on my floor. These are all clean, so I'm gonna pretty much like fold these, put these away, and then lay them out. My room is gonna be a mess for 2 days until the new dresser comes, but I need to just clear all of this out. I need to clear all of this out, and I need to clear out my nightstand, because my nightstand and then this, I guess it's a dresser, I don't know, these are gonna go to our beach house, so I just need to clear everything out. This stuff needs to go in the attic, and then this stuff I need to just, I don't know, I need to just figure out where I'm gonna put everything, and I'll probably just like wipe down my vanity while I'm at it, but I need to just, you know, clear out my room a little bit and prep it for furniture Saturday morning. I know it seems a little backwards to like put clothes away when I'm literally just gonna take them out of the drawer, but it throws me off when like I'm laying everything out. Like I'm gonna lay everything out by, you know, all my t-shirts and all my leggings and workout clothes and whatever. So if it's like missing stuff, I just want to keep it all together. So that's why I'm folding my clean clothes, putting them in the drawer, and then I'm gonna take them out and really like lay them all over my floor. It's really like throwing me off right now that they have to be laying on my floor, and there's gonna be so many clothes. I hate that, but I should tell myself it's only for like a day and a half. That's literally it. here's what I got done today. I just cleared everything off, obviously, and then all of these drawers are completely cleared and everything's here. I would have put all of these clothes in the back room on the bed, but if Cam sleeps over, then we're gonna sleep in that bed, so I wanted to just like keep it open, obviously. So all of these are on the floor. I just made sure to vacuum my floor before I put them down. And I did declutter a couple things, not too much, but I'll show you in a second what I did declutter. And then these two drawers are still full. That's like underwear and socks. And then these couple are full. I'm just gonna pull this in our back room before the movers come in, or like tomorrow night, but I need Cam's help because I like pulled something in my back at the gym, so I'm trying not to like do too much. It's gonna hurt my back. So this will go in the back room, and then like I said, it'll go in the beach house later. And then this is pretty much all cleared off besides my underwear and socks, but I don't want them like laying on my floor when there's gonna be guys here like putting my furniture in. And then this stuff I just need to bring up to the attic real quick. And then I was able to clear out most of my nightstand. This stuff's gonna just go right back into my nightstand. It's like medicine and books and stuff. That's gonna go right into my new one. And then this one's pretty much emptied besides some cords. And I did keep a lot of bathing suits in here, but I put them in one of these bins down here because these are like summer clothes. So I don't even need to touch those anyway. And then I have some Young Living stuff, but I keep all my Young Living stuff besides the actual oils downstairs in our basement, so I need to just move those downstairs. That's a diffuser that I need to clean and then put up in the attic. And then, yeah, I mean, all this is going to go, like, on my nightstand, so I didn't want to completely clear it off because I do need it to sleep still. And then I'm just going to vacuum up my room, and that's pretty much it. Pretty much all I can do right now. I did just wipe down my vanity while I was at it. This always feels so much better when the space is clean. My new dresser is like a long one, so obviously this is like a tall one, but mine's gonna be long and then it has a big mirror on it, so I think it'll be really pretty. I'm just hoping that it matches my room okay because my room's gray and I can't remember if it's like kind of brown or not. So I don't know, we'll see. But that's pretty much all I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna run the vacuum through one more time and then that's it. I did wanna show you the couple things that I got rid of. I really didn't declutter too much. But as I was clearing things out, I'm like, you know what? I haven't worn this stuff in probably years. So this is an old crew neck. It just says LA on it. I actually love it, but I just don't wear it. And my rule of thumb is if I haven't worn something in a year, then I need to get rid of it. So I got rid of this. I was holding on to this because I got this when I was in California years ago. And it's a Brandy Melville, and we have none of her things around here. So I've held on to this like forever, but it's like a crop top, and I'm just not really about crop tops anymore, so you know what? I need to just like bite the bullet and get rid of it. I have like an old college t-shirt. These are old Gymshark joggers. They're really nice, but I just don't wear them. Like, I'm not gonna hold on to something just because it's like a nice company. It just doesn't make any sense. So getting rid of those, and then that's an old pajama set, but I really don't wear long sleeves or pants to bed. I always wear shorts and short sleeves because I get so hot at night. So it's a cute pajama set, but like I said, I just don't wear it. We just got the furniture delivered, but there's a small crack in the mirror, so I have to contact them again when the store opens. That paid a lot for this, so we're gonna see if they can replace that. But it's a lot bigger in the space, but it's really nice.
Oh my god, furniture, yay!
So I'm gonna start like cleaning it up and putting all of these clothes in there. finally finished. I put everything away. So here's a little overview. I think it turned out really nice. It's obviously way bigger than my old bedroom set, but I still really, really like the way that it looks. I think it just looks very like mature, if that makes sense. So if you're curious how I organized my drawers and where I put everything, then I'm gonna show you guys that. I'll start with the nightstand, and we had a little bit of an issue because I hate cords. Like, I actually hate even having stuff up here, but I need a clock, obviously. My diffuser, I'll put water there, and then this is for my heated blanket, so eventually this will be gone as the weather gets nice anyway. But what I did is put my Apple Watch charger and then my phone charger through like a hole that's back there. And then the hole is like back in there. I'm not gonna get in detail or depth with that, but I cannot stand having cords up here, so I really wish like some of the newer nightstands have like outlets and USBs back here, but this one does not. This one does have like a wireless charger right here, so if I put my phone down, I can charge it, but my phone has a case on it, and I'm not gonna charge it like in the middle of my nightstand, so I kind of feel like that's silly, so I didn't even bother putting that up. So then the only other thing is I put like my chargers back here. I kind of like laid them down, so I do have to kind of like, you know, when I unplug my lights, it's not ideal. Honestly, the setup is not ideal, but I hate cords, and for now, I'll see how it works. And then this drawer is not very neat. I just kind of have like some medicine, chargers, and earplugs in that one, and it's really nice though. Like, this set really does have a lot of good storage. So then in this one is where I put my actual nightstand stuff, like medicine, lotions, books, obviously not too much, some nail stuff and chapstick, like just easy reach things if I need them in bed. And then this drawer just has literally fuzzy socks and bras. That's it. So I was able to combine both of those in there. You guys saw that I was like struggling to put it in these drawers because they're really, really shallow. So my bras kept getting stuck. So I just put them in these ones because they're a lot deeper. I'm trying not to make you like too dizzy. Okay, and then in this drawer, this is obviously pretty packed, but it is what it is. I have socks and underwear. I do wish these were a little bit deeper, but they're not, so whatever. And then this one, I have all my sports bras. So same thing. Hopefully this doesn't like annoy me too much. If it does, we'll do some rearranging. But honestly, like right now, my drawers are set for winter. So all of these clothes are very, very thick. But when I switch over to my summer clothes, I'll have so much more room in here because I'll put all my winter clothes in like bins under my bed, so I'll be able to have a lot more space. So under my socks and underwear, I have t-shirts. I fold everything the KonMari method, and I have them color coordinated. So I have all my t-shirts here, and then I actually have more t-shirts down here. These are just like the black, gray, white, and then I have short sleeves, and then I have my long sleeves here. So that's how I have those two. I love the handles of these so much. And then I have crew necks in here. See how these are very like thick? I'm not obviously gonna have these in the winter, so it'll free up a lot of space, but I have my crew necks here, and then my crew necks continue over here. I love crew necks. They're like my favorite article of clothing. So I have my neutrals, and then my color crew necks, and then these are just some sweatpants and like pajama shorts. I only wear shorts to bed even in the winter, so I do have some space there. And then this is all my jeans here, and then a couple other sweatpants. And then the only other thing is I have all my workout attire and obviously some space. So I have my workout leggings. These are like regular leggings, and then workout shirts. I obviously don't wear shirts. I literally only wear a sports bra to the gym, but I do like to have a couple for the summertime. Like, I will wear these out, so that's everything I have in these drawers. So it's a little bit later in the day, but I wanted to kind of show you that I changed up a little bit because I went and picked up my clean clothes from the basement. So I'm not gonna like go in depth because this is literally my underwear drawer now, but I have underwear, and then I changed like my loungy bras to over here. Like, I wear sports bras a lot in the summer that like aren't necessarily padded or very light padding, just around. So I put those ones in there because I won't wear them to the gym. And then now I have a lot more space to spread out my workout only sports bras. And in order to do this, what I did is I moved a lot of the stuff that was in this drawer I moved it up here. So this is strictly like just bedtime stuff pretty much. And then the only other thing down here are some of the bigger bottles like ibuprofen and Excedrin and stuff that wouldn't fit up here. So I just have a little bit, and then I just made this into my sock drawer because I have a lot of socks, they're thick, and I needed something with more depth. So that works out. Figured I would show you that. I am not going to show my face right now because I am an absolute mess. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did get everything from Bob's. I'll link it down below in my description if you guys are interested and like it. I got this, obviously, the mirror, and 2 nightstands. The other nightstand we just have in our basement, just like stored away for now until I move. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!